Good afternoon. Today I will make a lunch for my family. I will cook chicken inasal. These are the ingredients. Chicken breast, Sprite, sugar, pepper, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, aswete oil, and calamansi juice. The first thing to do is combine all the spices. Next, sugar. Next is Sprite, 1/2 lang. Then mix it together. Then add the chicken. Now we are done and ready to cook, but it is better to marinate it longer. Now we will put a little bit of oil. Now let's add the chicken. The chicken is done. Now it's ready to plate. This is my chicken inasal a la Brian.